Welcome back to the another video of Cricket Thrills. Ian David Kenneth Salisbury is an English former cricketer who was born on 21st January 1970 in Northampton. He is the one of the few leg spinners to play Test cricket for England. Salisbury played in 15 Test matches and 4 One-Day International between 1992 till 2000. He played first-class cricket for Sussex, Surrey and Warwickshire in a career stretching from 1989 to 2008. Ian Salisbury played against Pakistan in 1992 and made cricket romantic rejoices. When he played at Lord's, he became the first specialist leg spinner selected for England since Robin Hobbs in 1971. The reality was that in his subsequent Test career, Salisbury's tally of 20 wickets cost almost 77 runs apiece. He made his first-class debut for Sussex in 1989, taking the wicket of Ian Austin in both innings. The following year, he claimed 42 wickets at a somewhat expensive average of 49.40, but his potential was recognized with a spot on the England A tour to Pakistan and Sri Lanka. And the following winter, again with England A, he toured West Indies with some success, taking 14 wickets at 27.42. 1992 was the Salisbury's breakthrough years when he picked 87 first-class wickets at under 29 apiece, including 6 5-wicket hauls. He was rewarded both with being named of the Wisden Cricketer of the Year in the next year and with his Test match debut. His first appearance for England in June 1992 against Pakistan at Lord's. In the third Test, he made an important half-century in the first inning. He was then dropped for the rest of the summer. This was to become a familiar pattern as England regularly turned to Salisbury now that leg spin was being made fashionable again by the emergence of Shane Warne, and just as regularly discarded him after a couple of matches. Never in his 15 Test career did he play more than 3 games in a row. He was not good enough to prosper at the highest level with a career Test bowling average of 76.95, and he has been rated as the worst specialist bowler in Test cricket. He played his last Test match in 2001 in Karachi with a series aggregate of only 1 wicket against 193 runs. He has struggled to control both his nerves and his radar. In 1998, facing Sri Lanka at the Oval, he was even heckled by his home crowd. But he remains determined and likable, and his batting, a mixture of well-organized defense and well-timed drive, is comfortably above the tail-ender category. Salisbury left Sussex for the Surrey in time for the 1997 season and prospered on the bouncier wickets. And in 1999 and 2000, he was Player of the Year in Sydney Grade Cricket competition. His spin partnership with Saqlain Mushtaq did much to inspire Surrey championship successes in 1999 and 2000. But Salisbury's Test career came to an end after a desperate tour of Pakistan in 2001. He continued to turn in solid performance for Surrey without ever doing enough to justify the gamble of a Test recall, and spent a season with Warwickshire in 2000 before returning to the Oval the following year as the club's second 11 coach. In county cricket, however, Salisbury was a different man. He passed 50 wickets most seasons, and when he left Sussex for Surrey in 1997, he revelled in wickets that suited his bowling style. In successive seasons, his bowling average improved 31.20 to 22.89 and then 22.19, and in 2000 he took 52 wickets at just 18.92, including a career best 8 for 60 at the Oval against Somerset. In 1999, he saw the first of Salisbury's 3 first-class 100, exactly 100 not out against Somerset, as he shared a 9th wicket partnership of 122 with Martin Bicknell. His second century, 101 not out, came in 2003 against Leicestershire, and his third century, 103 not out, came against Hampshire in 2007, sharing in a stand of 177 with Azhar Mahmood. After 2003, Salisbury played increasingly less first-class cricket, and in 2004 he took just 14 wickets at an average of over 50. By 2005, he was making more appearances for the second 11 than for the first team. In 2006, Salisbury enjoyed the lowest standard of cricket to be found in the County Championship second division and formed a decent spin partnership with Nayan Doshi that played an important role in Surrey's promotion campaign. Salisbury was released by Surrey at the end of 2007 campaign, ending a 10-year stint at the club. This was connected to Surrey's re-signing of Saqlain Mushtaq from Sussex in the same month. In November 2007, Salisbury signed a 2-year contract with Warwickshire following the county's failed attempt to lure Mushtaq Ahmed in the summer. In March 2009, at the age of 39, Salisbury announced his retirement from first-class cricket. Salisbury initially accepted a 2-year extension to his playing contract with Warwickshire, but instead decided to end his playing career and take up a role as a coach with his former county Surrey. He replaced the South African-bound Nadeem Shahid as the second-team coach, being promoted to first-team coach for the 2012 season. On June 17, 2013, it was announced by Surrey County Cricket Club that Salisbury had been sacked along with the first team director of cricket, Chris Adams. In May 2017, Salisbury was named as the head coach for the England physical disability cricket team. Salisbury played 15 test matches for England and he scored 368 runs with the highest score of 50 at an average of 16.72, including 150 and 44 fours. In 4 ODIs, he's just scored 7 runs with the highest of 5 runs. Although he played 324 first-class matches and scored 7,000 runs with the highest of 103 not out with the help of 326 50s. In 255 List A matches, he scored 1,582 runs at an average of 13.29 with the best of 59 not out and 150. In the 32 T20 matches, he scored 109 runs at an average of 9.08 with the best of 20. In the bowling department, in the 15 test matches, he took the 20 wickets at an average of 76.95 with the best of 4 for 163. In 4 ODIs, he just managed to grab 5 wickets with the best of 3 for 41. In 324 first-class matches, he took 884 wickets at an average of 32.65 with the best of 8 for 60, including 5 wickets in an inning 40 times and 10 wickets in a match 6 times. In 255 List A matches, he took 257 wickets with the best of 5 for 30 at an average of 32.37, and one time he took the 5 wickets in an inning. In 32 T20 matches, he took the 27 wickets at an average of 19.85 with the best of 3 for 14. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.